Hey guys, Steve is back once again. My third video unboxing, or not really unboxing because it was only in cheap plastic, but today I got in another cable pouch. So last week I reviewed or unboxed the Jellycomb, I love saying this, the Jellycomb electronic accessories cable organizer. That was this one right here, which I am definitely keeping, I'm definitely using. And I highly recommend this one if anybody has more than, I guess, a little bit of cables. Today, I got in the SELLYFELLY Travel Electronics Organizer bag, they call it. This one is a lot smaller. This is kind of like, I guess, a companion to this one if you wanted, because this one doesn't have the handle on top. It doesn't have the pouches on the outside of either. And it's really, really slim. So I would think you could use it as a companion to this, or if you just bought your first camera and you have a couple of HDMI cables and your camera cables, this would be, I think, a fine beginner bag. So like I said, all it has is this little handle here, no pouches on the outside, and then just the zipper right here. And the inside is fairly basic. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 available cable, I guess, slots with elastic. So you can fit 8 cables in here. The bag that I'm using has 1, 2, 3, 4 sections because it opens. So it holds a lot more. This one has one zipper pouch here on the bottom for like memory cards and stuff. So you have one of those, and that's pretty much it. This is a really simple cable pouch. Like I said, it's probably a good companion to this other one that I have. It's a lot smaller, or if I'm going out for a shoot or shooting some video and I don't need all my cables, I could just take this. But this one's not that big where I wouldn't take it with me, like take all my cables with me. So this one, like I said, is the SELLYFELLY Travel Electronics Organizer, Cable Organizer. On Amazon, it's $18.99. I don't think I would pay $18.99 for this bag, because the bigger one was probably around the same price, maybe. But good news. I'm going to put a link to Tech Guys Chronicles YouTube channel in the description below, and we're going to give one of these away. So please like, subscribe, let me know what you want to see on my page in the comments below. Any kind of feedback is welcome. You can follow me on Twitter at Strange177A. You can follow me in Bin at Tech Guys Chronicles. That's where we're going to be giving away this bag. On Instagram at Tech Guys Chronicles. Our Twitter will link below. Just hop on over. Hopefully we have this video up in the next day or two. I don't think the video might be attached to, well, the giveaway might be attached to another video, or maybe we'll just do like a 2-minute video that's just details on how to, I guess, submit your name to win this bag. I think that's all I have for today. I did my 2 lenses, I did my bag, and then tomorrow I will do an unboxing for the external screen I bought for my A7 III. That one should be fun. And then maybe I'll do a review for all of these items. But better yet, maybe I'll just do a tutorial, because as of right now, I don't know how to use those other 2 lenses because there's so many options. So I'm going to have to read up on them. Once I learn, I'll digest the information and try to spit it back out. It's really simple for everybody. But that's all I have for today. So I want to thank you all for watching. Like I said, please follow me, like, subscribe, and comment on everything. And I'll talk to you soon. Later.